ChatGPT AI Image Generator tutorial. So here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to use a ChatGPT AI Image Generator to create images from text prompts. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is navigate to the chatgpt.com or open the ChatGPT app. Then simply type down your prompt, make it specific. So here I'm typing down generate an image where Eiffel Tower option available. You can make it more specific, like, for example, you can type down a futuristic city skyline at sunset, vibrant colors, highly detailed. But here, as you can see, it takes few more minutes comparatively to other AI to generate the images. All you have to do is wait for a moment. Then once you receive the notification from ChatGPT, simply tap on it and navigate to the ChatGPT, and here you can view the image available. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.